It's all good. It's all good. I paid extra for the cheese sauce, so I'm glad to have that. My horsey and my Arby's. And these are the classic beef and cheddars that I have. Oh, y'all have to excuse me. I'm just going through the motions here. Oh, man. Look at my cheese sauce. It got smushed. Beef and cheddar. Beef and cheddar. Oh, my goodness, y'all. So, yeah, it's been a week. It's okay, though. It's all good. Ooh, cheese. Both of my cheese sauces out. Yeah, I was looking back in all my videos to see when the last time I did Arby's was. It was quite a while ago, so. So I figured, let's do it. Oh, man. I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I personally didn't show up last weekend. I had some stuff going on. Oh, I guess it's supposed to have that sauce on it. Okay. Okay. It's got that Arby's sauce. What do they call it? It's like a red ranch or something. I always get the horsey sauce to put on it too, though. Alright, I'm going to try mac and cheese bite. And I'll put an extra cheese on it. Okay, that's delicious. That is very delicious.